এই তো প্রভু नाम श्रेष्ठं मनोभि सचीपुत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्सग्रजं गुरुपरिं मातुरिं गष्टवाटिं राधा कुण्डं गिरिवरमो राधिका माधवासं प्राप्त जस्य
श्री गुरु सम्नतोऽस्मि।
नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्तास्य कामादि तरङ्गमध्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यां वदामि राधां करुणाभव ततो मम नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुभरगदगदयद्वाचा जाचिनी पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदुर्भुटार्ते अस्य प्रसादमबुधस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विकै निजगणे गणनां विदे। अङ्गश्यामलभिजटामन्दे कृतेन्द्रैर्वरं जड्डं जाजुगुडरोचिषं पट्टं वर्षश्रियां बिन्दारणनिवासिनैन्द्रसद्धामादिदामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशलज्जलो भुजं ध्यायं स्तुदामोदर। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना एते विज्ञाय तेरा दे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
महाराज की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। श्री रूप नवद्वीप की जय। श्री प्रभुपाद।
First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So I will not take too much of time. I am very happy to come your place. What is his name?
Tamal Prabhu. Tamal Prabhu. And
Huh?
Rasa.
Rasamanjari Didi and Tamal Prabhu. Very nice. They are so kind. And to give us shelter also to speak some Hari Katha. Because in this Kali Yuga, very, very rare to give shelter to speak Hari Katha. Will give. If any other things will come, mundane things will come, many people will be gathering. They too. And they spend a lot of money for this, doing this. But when the Hari Katha, then people have there's no time. Everybody is saying this way, having time. And everywhere also, in India, everywhere I going. Because this is the nature of the Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga means, Kali means Kalaham iti la. Kalaham iti Kali. That is always quarreling. And especially conditional soul, Baddha Jivas, they are nature to enjoying the sense gratifications, enjoy sense gratification. But they are not inquire their spiritual life. What is the meaning of this human body? Why you have come? And even people, they are not inquire themselves, say, who am I? If you ask the people, who are you? Automatically people, they will give their this bodily identification. I am man, I am an woman, I am an Indian, I am Brazilian, I am
Maori.
Australian. This is true. Actually, we are not this body. We are soul, spirit of soul, Atma. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, all the living entity, they are my part and parcel. Mamai Vangsa Jiva Loke, Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. Arjuna, listen very carefully. All the living entities, they are my part and parcel. They are eternal and transcendent. This is our real identification, জীবের স্বরূপ হয় কৃষ্ণের নিত্য দাস কৃষ্ণের তো সশক্তি ভেদাভেদ প্রকাশ But this is easy to say, but very difficult to realize. So always I am saying this word. What is saying?
Self-realization.
Self-realization is the best
Realization.
realization. Atmanubhuti. You realize yourself. Who are you? Why have you come in this material world? After your death, where will you go? Where will you go? And what is the relationship in this material world? Actually nothing. When you close your eyes, completely what? Darkness. When you close your eyes, what we are looking? Darkness. If that means is what? Try to understand this way. In this material world, actually we have no relationship to anyone. Our relationship with Krishna. Tameva mata, tameva pita, tameva bandhu, sakhasya tameva. Oh my Lord, you are my mother, you are my father, you are my friend, you are my all in all, everything. But this word is very critical to understand. Saying, because conditional soul, they completely absorbed with material things. And unlimited time, wandering the same cycle or repeated, birth and death. Tavad janam, tavad maranam, tavad janani, jathari sayanam. Again it will take birth. Then we give up this body. When we will give up this body, then we will forget our previous relationship. Could you remember your past life, your mother, father, children, bank balance, how much you left bank balance? Remember? You? Maybe. Maybe not. Is it true? But now you are in this body. You remember. And how much your money in your account, bank account, password, everything you remember. And you remember to everything also, your relationship with your mother, father, wife, children, everything. But again, who will give up this body will forget. In this rotation, always going on this way. Tabad janam, tabad maranam, tabad janani jathari saranam. Coming, going this way. You are theist or atheist. This is not our subject. Subject is this is that we are the eternal servant of Krishna. So you are saying this back to whom? Back to God. This material world, this is not our permanent residence. All we are refugee. Refugee, understand? One place to one, we coming this country with this country, this country. Going one country to another country, this all. What is called?
Travelers.
No. This is true. To deeply understand this philosophy, these things. This is going on this. But with the association with sadhu sangha, then you realize yourself. Who am I? I am not this body and soul. Or I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido bhavante hitkarna rasayana katha tajjo sanad asu apavarga vartmani shraddharati bhakti ranukramisati. Lord Kapil Dev told his mother Devahati, oh my mother, listen. My final instruction to you. Kapil Dev told his mother, my listen very carefully. Always associate with sadhu. So it's in Satang prasangat mamavir jus sangvido bhavante hitkarna rasayana katha. And always associate with sadhu and listen sweet pastimes of Krishna. Krishna kathamritam. Then you realize, then your faith will come. There is sadhana bhakti, then bhav bhakti, then prema bhakti will manifest in your heart. This is the process. You read Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd canto, the conversation between Kapil Dev and Devahuti. Very nice katha. How jivas coming in this material world. Very beautiful katha is there. That is called our practical life. One is called theoretical and another is called practical life. You realize these things. How we are entering the womb of mother, how we are suffering, how we are again coming out from mother and suffering. This is going on this. How I am saying this is the practical life, not the theoretical suffering. Just we forget. Understand this? But with the association of sadhu sangha, then your realization will come. Atma Anubhuti. What is it? Atma Anubhuti. Atma of. So Anubhuti, realization come. Sadhu Sangha. For this saying the Sadhu Sangha is very important. First I tell you this body is called gross body. What you are looking? This body is called gross body. This gross body made by 5 elements. No? I think all you know this. You know now? What are the 5 elements of the gross body?
Fire,
Fire,
water,
air,
atmosphere,
space,
yes, space.
then earth. Okay. This is called gross body, no? In this gross body also another body is there. What is that? That is called subtle body. Sanskrit word that is called Sukshma Sari. That is called mind, intelligent, egos and heart. Man, buddhi, ahankar, chitta. Then inside the subtle body, then another body also is there. That is called Atma Sari. What is it? Atma is a transcendental form. You have something. Every life we are giving up this gross body. This is a problem. But we did not give up our subtle body. Sukshma Sari. For wondering with the subtle body and Atma Sari always going. Another give up another gross body, then enter again enter in the another gross body. This is going on this. But with the association of sadhu sangha and performing bhajan and sadhana servicing to Lord, then one day we will give up this gross body and subtle body. Then we realize our Atma Sari. Atma Sari, understand? Transcendental body. You have. So now it is how many body have you now? 3. As like just give an example that nuts, badam, peanuts. Peanuts, in the outer side, very hard cover. That is called grass body. And inside that the peanut, covered with the skin. That is called subtle body. Or inside peanut. Just this material, this example I am giving. In the same. But with the association sadhu sangha. First, your gyan will come. Gyan means knowledge. And what is the knowledge? I am not this gross body or subtle body. So who am I? I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Jiver Sarup Hoy, Krishna Nitya Das. This is the basic and fundamental knowledge. But with the son sadhu, then slowly realize self-realization will come. This is the process of. For this year, Lord Kapil Dev told his mother Devhuti, "Oh my mother, listen, always associate with sadhu. Sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, sadhu sangha, sarva shastre koi. Lava matra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hai." Very tiny time. Lava means 1 second divided by 11. That moment you associate sadhu, then you attain your highest perfection. Sarva siddhi. Sadhu sangha is very important. And listen Hari Katha, take Mahaprasad, two things. How do you do?
Associate with
Associate sadhu, listen Hari Katha. And or take honor Mahaprasad. Mahaprasadi Govinde Nama Brahmane Vaishnave Salpapunna Batang Rajan Vishasanai Vajayate. The four things are very powerful, transcendent. But those who are less intelligent and those who have not so much sukritis, spiritual pious activities, they may not understand these four things. For this regard, Sanskrit Bharati Mahaprasad, Govinda, Nam Brahma, and Vaishnava. Four things are very important. Mahaprasad, which is offered to Thakurji. That's the remnants of Lord. Mahaprasad. Govinda, name of Lord. Bhagavat Nam. That Prabhuji explained very nicely. There are no difference. Holy names and Sri Hari. And Avinnatvat Nama Namina. So Vigraha Nam, Vigraha Sarup, Tiner Kogu Nahi Bhed. There are no different three things. Holy names, Vigraha, his deities, and his own Sarup. The three things. Nam, Sarup, Vigraha, Tiner Kogu Nahi Bhed. Very important. But need everything you can understand according your faith, Shraddha. This is very important. Shraddhavan Javanan Bhakti Adhikari, who has Shraddha, faith, spiritual faith, is qualified to practice devotional service to Lord. Then you realize everything, step by step. But without listening to Hari Katha, your heart will be never purified and neat and clean. Tatang prasai sinnatang sakatha Krishna punna sravana kirtana vidhvansa javadrani viduniti sudhi satam nashta prayesu abhadresu nityang bhagavata sevaya. Bhagavati Bhagavattama sloke naistiki bhavati. Listen, Hari Katha means there is a directive contact with Lord Sri Hari. That means you listen to Hari Katha, there is Sabda, Brahma, transcendental vibration. This transcendental vibration enter in your ears and coming your heart and clean everything, unwanted things. And your heart will be neat and clean. So Hari Katha Sravanam. Adu Hari Katha Sravanam. First Adivana in the beginning. Listen to Hari Katha. This is very fun. Sometimes I also singing one Hindi song, you know. मैल लागे तन में धोए जल से. You understand Hindi? मैल लागे तन में धोए जल से, मैल लागे मन में धोए कैसे. मैल लागे तन में, तन माने body. If a body contaminate with the dirt, kitchen, what will do? You wash with the water. Saying, तन में मैल लागे धोए जल से. मन में मैल लागे धोई कैसे. If your mind contaminated with lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, other things, how will clean? How will clean? Huh? Pardon?
Sabun se.
Sabun se. No, so you would take sabun. You take soap. No, that question already I told. If your body contaminate with the dust, you clean with the water, soap and water. Okay, clean. But your mind contaminated with lust, anger, investment, stupid nonsense, rascal, how will clean? Huh? You are right. Huh? राम नाम के साबुन से धोए मन के. You are right. Here Hindi words with you. Ram Nam ki here is saying Ram Nam is as like soap. Ram Nam ke sabun se dhoye man. Understand? That means was rendering chanting holy names. Listen Hari Katha with the association of sadhu. Then all your lust, anger, investment, stupid nonsense, rascal will remove from your heart. This is the process. Because you cannot clean your heart. Who will clean your heart? Lord is saying, I will do myself. So saying, Sinnatang Sakata Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana. Jadyanse Viduniti Suid Satam Nashtra Prayesu Abhadresu Nityam Bhagavati Seva. Krishna says, if you listen Hari Katha, then when Krishna himself enter in your ears and coming in your heart. And Krishna is saying, I will clean. You understand? So who will clean our heart? Who will clean our mind? Krishna Katha. Because Krishna Katha is none different from Krishna. Krishna Nam is none different from Krishna. Do you understand? You are listening to Krishna Katha when Krishna himself enter in your ear. This is called Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration. Prabhuji also told. Sabda Brahma. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is a transcendental vibration of Bhagavatam Nam. Enter in your ears and coming in your heart and clean. And again, listen Hari Katha. Simple. This is the process also. Nam Sankirtan. First, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed all his followers. Cheto darpana marjanam bhava mahadavang nirvapanam Sreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidya budhu jivanam anandam budhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamrita sadhanam sarva atma sanapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtan. All glories to holy name. Nam Sankirtan. Because in this Kali Yuga there are no any other process to purify your heart. That means by the perfect karma, jnana, acquire the knowledge, tapasya, studies, charity, what is called? Yoga, tapasya, you cannot do. And penance, you cannot do anything. Only Kali Yuga kevalo Namo Adhara Sumeru Sumeru Naraho Utarihi Para. Then Tulsidas Ramcharitmanas. In this Kali Yuga, holy name. Kali Yuga kevala Nama Adhara. Holy names. Chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Acquire the knowledge also cannot clean your heart. Knowledge means just give the some light. You are walking in the street and dark night. So need is what? Light, torch light. So knowledge is as like this, torch light.
To see the path.
Then you see the path where you are going. Then you are walking in the dark night. Something also on the road. You are thinking this is snake. Then you afraid. Then in your pocket also torchlight. Then with your torchlight, oh, this is not the snake. This is rope. So knowledge Gyan means knowledge. Knowledge with this is the thing. This thing. But Vigyan, realization, self-realization coming. You practice devotional service to Lord. That is called bhakti. Gyan means give the some knowledge that gives some light. Or Vigyan, that is called self-realization. How get this self-realization? Practice devotional service to Lord bhakti. This it is coming from mercy from Guru and Krishna. Without mercy of Guru and Krishna, or so Bhakti Devi will not manifest in your heart. बिनु गुरु भवनिधि तरो ना कोई जो विरिंची शंकर समान होई. Tulsidas Ramcharitamanas Hinदी. If you have asked of knowledge, as like Brahma, four-headed Brahma. How many heads have you? One. Sometimes you are saying my head is not working. You are saying or not? तुम आज वहाँ saying, oh, I am very tired. My head is not working. This true. And Brahmaji, how many heads? Four-headed Brahma. You have asked of knowledge. Shivji, you heard Lord Shiva? How many heads of Lord Shiva? Do you know? 5. Pancham. So that means if you have vast of knowledge as like Brahma or as like Shiva, but if you have not taking shelter, lotus feet of bona fide genuine Guru, you cannot attain your perfection goal. Understand? So saying the Binu Guru Bhavanidhi Tarona Koi Jo Birinchi Sankar Saman. That means Guru gives these types of light and realization. Understand? He will show to you how the perfect faith you will walk and attain your perfection goal. That is called Bhakti Yoga. That is the perfect path. Bhakti Yoga na manasi sammak pranite amale apasat purusham purna mayancha tadapasayam. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. If you really practice Bhakti Yoga, then your knowledge will come. Gyan, that is called knowledge means Gyan. Who am I? What is the relationship in this material world with my family and others? Everything, all types of knowledge will come. That is called Samandha Gyan. Knowledge of relationship. Third is second, how to practice devotional service. The Avidya Tattva. Or third, that is called Prayojan Tattva or perfection goal. What is your perfection? What is your goal? You really, 3 things you always realize. That is called Samandha, the knowledge of relationship. Second, Avidya Tattva, that is process to attain your perfection. That is called Avidya means Bhakti. Or third, that is called Prayojan Tattva. Prayojan means your goal, perfection. What is your goal? Everything. So with the sadhu, guru, Vaishnava, they realize it step by step. This is the process also, step by step. And And then we realize everything, self-realization will come. Eh? Because this human body is very, very rare. Durlabho manuso de dehinam kanabangura tatrapi durlabham manne vaikunta priya darsanam. This human body is very, very rare. Eh? You believe or not, but this is absolutely truth. After 8.4 billion pieces, then Lord mercifully gives this human body. Or only the human body we can practice devotional service to Lord. You understand? Eh? Only this human body you can practice the devotional service to Lord. Cat's body, dog's body, eh? Donkey body, camel body, elephant body, lion body. You cannot practice devotional service to Lord. In your house, cat or not? Huh? How many cats have you? 3, 2, 3. Some birds also a house in dog also. Cats, dog, and different. They are practicing devotional service to Lord or not? Are they chanting holy names? No. Huh? Nothing. Just they absorb with 4 things: eating, sleeping, defending, and matching. The Sanskrit word that is called ahara nidra bhai mathunancha samanna etat pasubhi naranam dharmai tesang adhika visesa dharmena hina pasubhi saman. Very nice, beautiful slokas. Padma Purana explain this way. Eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. These 4 things are common in our human life, also animals' life. But what is the speciality of the human body? What is the speciality?
Oh, we can chant good words.
Yeah, you are right. Nice. Good one. Nice. Eh? You are very nice, beautiful tilak. Eh? Understand? You have Kantimala? No. Okay. Eh? Understand? But animals cannot do anything. Just they absorb the 4 things. But we are human being. We have knowledge. We have one thing that is called discrimination power. What is good and what is bad. We can discriminate. But animals, they cannot do. Eating, sleeping, defending. And sun rises, sunset, same thing. We are human being also doing same thing. But human body, this means this. We have to practice a devotional service to Lord Krishna Bhakti. So for this guy you have come here. Eh? Cats, dogs are not sitting here. Find out any cat here. Cat not come. Dog coming? No, not coming. But we are here. We are sitting here, listen Hari Katha. Eh? Look this. So that means human body is very, very rare. For this year, Bible quoted one verse. I think you know this one. What is it called? God created man after his own image. God, he creates all the living entities. Cats, dogs, snake, tiger, elephants, everything. Birds, everything. But he did not satisfy. He did not happy. Because he realized they cannot chant holy name, they cannot practice doing service to me. So how they will return back to me? For this regard, God, finally he creates the human being as like him. For they use this word, image. You read Bible very clearly. God created man after his own image. Eh? As like his own copy. He manifested the human being. Because only human body you can practice devotional service to Lord. So I'm saying it this way, the human body is very, very rare. Eh? So in this human body, chant holy name, bhajan and sat. There are no guarantee again we will get back the human body or not. Huh? You understand? This is very important. Huh? So this life, you chant holy names. You can perform all your prescribed duties and household duties you can do. And you can take care of wife, children, husband, cats, dogs. What you will do? You are teacher, businessman, or you have any your profession you can do. But you don't forget to practice devotional service to Lord. And that is very simple in Kali Yuga. Just to chant holy names. Eh? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And just I went to his house. I asked, he's saying, what is the Prabhu name?
Navakishore.
Navakishore Prabhu. Very nice. He told 2 years, and how many years? 2 years is completely vegetarian. 2 years. He told me. But he has no guru, no bhakti, nothing. Just say to only vegetarian, this is not enough. If you're not taking shelter, lotus feet of guru, not chanting holy names, what is meaning of vegetarian also? I tell you, when Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he was preaching in America. That time, one person is very proud. He came in front of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Prabhupada, I am vegetarian. What is he saying? I am vegetarian. I am not eating meat, fish, onion, garlic, this. I am completely vegetarian. Then Prabhupada Swami Maharaj, he told, oh, now you are cow. A cow also vegetarian or not? They are also vegetarian or not? I am not listen very carefully. Swami Maharaj, this katha also. I am not saying this. If you are not practicing devotional service to Lord, what is the meaning of it? Nothing. But something is good also. You are vegetarian, good. But when you come in the upper level, or if you are not chanting holy names, not taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru, so what is the meaning of vegetarian? So Bhakti Sai Maharaj, you listen very carefully. I am not saying this. Sometimes I listen his very sweet lecture, Hari Katha. He's saying this way. Because that person is saying, oh, maybe Prabhupada will be very happy with me. Oh, you are vegetarian, because most of the people they are non-veg. So he is vegetarian. So maybe Prabhupada will be so much glorified to me. Oh, you are vegetarian, very nice. But Sai Maharaj, he told, oh, okay. Because he was saying, Prabhupada, I am vegetarian, 10 years I am vegetarian. Many people also, that called, I am, what is called? Vegan. That's the same. Okay, that is good. But when you come in the upper level, nothing. So for this, he told, okay, now you are cow. What that means is what? If you not take shelter, lotus feet of Guru, Binu Guru Bhavanidhi Tareo na koi jo birinchi sankar sama hoi. Very carefully listen this. If you have no Sadguru, bona fide Guru, not chanting holy names, what is the meaning? Nothing. Are you surrendered to Krishna, Guru and Krishna? Guru and Krishna will take your responsibility to deliver, how to deliver from this material world. This is the responsibility of Guru and Krishna. You are reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Apiche sudracharo bhajate mang ananna bhako sadhureva samantabha sammaga vyabhasiti sa kiprang bhavati dharmatma sachanti kontya pratijanihi nome bhakta pranasati. Parde Didi, what do you want? You want to listen, clarify his ask. Listen very carefully. Now coming this. Krishna says, Opi chet suduracharu bhajate mang ananya bhako. And you read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, these two slokas. Api chet suduracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako sadhu reva samantabha sammaga vyabhasiti hisa. क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा सच्चंति कुंत्य प्रतिजानि नौमे भक्त प्रणश्यति. Krishna says, Krishna, how he has so much love and he has so much love and affection with his devotee. He cannot imagine. Krishna says, Bhagavad Gita. First you read Bhagavad Gita. Then all your doubts you remove from your heart. Api chet suduracharo. One is called durachar, means very fallen, wretched, and abominable. Patit. Even if one fainted with me, Krishna says, perform bhajan and sadhan. So, this is my conclusion. Krishna is saying, he is sadhu. He is called sadhu. You understand? Apiche sudurataro bhajate mang ananya bhake. Ananya bhake means one fainted with me. He does not worship any demigod and demigod, not others. Only one fainted with me. So this is my conclusion. Krishna says, he is sadhu. He is not a sadhu. You understand? Krishna says this verse. Apiche sudracharu bhajate mang ananya bhako sadhu reva samantabha sammaga vyabhasiti. Because his good qualification, he completely surrendered to me, Krishna. So this is my responsibilities. Krishna saying, I will clean his heart. Understand? I will clean his heart. In his heart, lust, anger, envy, everything. Okay. I will clean. As like baby completely surrender his mother. Understand? When baby passing and stooling, who is cleaning? Tell to me. Mother or father? My or pai? Mother. Cleaning everything. And clean again also take back in her lap. This is a true wrong. Sometimes father is saying, oh no, no. People are saying, I have no experience. And baby, when newborn baby crying, then father saying, oh, can sleep that room? I can sleep there. Baby, too much. Are mother tolerate or not? You try to understand. Mother can't to separate from her newborn baby. We forget. But when a small baby, and we did not, what is called, sune nahi diya.
Not let us sleep.
Not let sleep to my mother. Anytime wake up and say, wah, 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 wah. So how will mother will sleep? I tell to me. And so passing slowly. Who take care to us? Only mother. Try to understand this way. So Krishna is saying, he completely surrendered to me. This is my duty to clean his heart. My duty. So this verse is very important. Apiche suduracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako sadhu reva samantabha sammaga vyabhasiti hisa. Khiprang bhavati. Krishna says, next verse saying, Khiprang bhavati dharmatma. Khiprang means very quick. He will become pure devotee, sadhu. And I will clean his heart. Khiprang bhavati sachanti kuntya pratijani name bhakta pranashrati. He is my devotee. My devotee will never perish. I will clean. This is my duty. This is very important. But here condition, one pointed to me. But here the Vishwanath Chakravarti, if one time he derails from his path, okay, you give chance second time. Huh? But again doing same things, that is not acceptable. In his habit, they do this. Huh? Even also Shastra saying, Ajamil, he committed many sinful activities, pap karma, but he did not criticize any Vaishnava. Vaishnava. You read Ajamil Katha is very important one. Because time is very short and time is almost over. Ajamil life is there. So that means I am saying to you, never criticize any Vaishnava. Vaishnava Ninda. All your sin, everything will be destroyed from your heart. Chanting holy name, this is true. But if you committed offense to the spirit of Vaishnava, Vaishnava Ninda, blaspheme with Vaishnava, Lord will not give mercy. No one can help you. So this is very important. Try to understand. Never criticize any Vaishnava. So just I also saying this. Apiche sudracharo bhajate mang anannabhaka sadhureva samantava sammaga vyavasita khiprang bhavati dharmatma sachyanti pratijani name bhakta panas. Krishna says, my bhakti will be never, what is it called? Perish. Never forget. This is the first. And give respect to others. And do bhajan and sadhan. But another question, another Bhakti Vishwanath Chakravarti in this commentary explained, you should not associate with him. Why? Because his bad things come to you. If you criticize to him, then all his bad things automatically transfer to you. You understand? So very important this thing. But you give respect to everybody. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just I finished my katha. She also means Kala Krishna Das. He was very near days of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the very close with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, she mentions, and that time Kala Krishna Das, he was the personal servant of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But his some weakness in his heart, he associated with gypsy girls. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. One day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked and to someone, hey, where is my personal servant Kala Krishna Das? I don't know, no one can don't know. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu realized, oh, and that place some, what is called? Gypsy. And in the gypsies community, one very nice, beautiful young girl. So Kala Krishna Das captivated by the girl. And he was staying in there. Lord Chaitanya is Bhagavan. And we are not Bhagavan. Lord Chaitanya is Bhagavan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the gypsy camp community there. And also he caught the chodi of Kala Krishna Das and took out from there. And then all the gypsies, they become very angry with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. A nice beautiful lila is there. Chaitanya explained. All the gypsies, they also attacked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did lila very nice. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. All gypsies are looking to each others to looking as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are looking. And for this they also fighting to each other. And in this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Kala Krishna Das and out there the place. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought him in Jagannath Puri and very close to what is called Alalnath, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu rejected him. This is mentioned in this. Kala Krishna Das Bharjan. Eh? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is strict in his sannyas marjada. Marjada, understand? Following the rules and regulations. Eh? Mahaprabhu is very. Eh? Same Ramchandra is very strict with his own rules and regulations. Raghukula riti sada chali ai prana jai boru vachana na jai. Eh? You read Ramayana, very nice, beautiful katha is there. Eh? Ramchandra Manas explained this way. Ramchandra is very udar. Udar, understand? That is called magnanimous. He gave donation to everybody. But he did not give true donation to anyone. You understand? Ramchandra, he did not give true donation to anyone. He gave everything to everybody. But the true donation he did not give to anyone. Who knows? Huh? आप लोग रामायण पढ़ते कि नहीं? पढ़ा? पढ़ करके देखो। हो अच्छा टीवी में देखा। उसमें भी लिखा है रामचरितमानस, उसमें भी है। Lord Ramchandra, and he did not show his feet on dikhai. He did not show his back to the enemies. Huh? He is saying, I am Kshatriya. Who is and against who I have to fight. Huh? Or second, Ramchandra is very calm and quiet and polite. He did not give the, what is called, Kudishti, Naripati Kudishti ne diya. You know, look, enjoying sense gratification
Any other one.
in others. Understand? Ramchandra. Understand or not? Pitana dikhai or Duradishti, Paranari Strinadi. Ramchandra is very strict also. In the same Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very strict. In his sannyas life. In his life, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu rejected two persons. Chota Haridas and Kala Krishna Das. In this way, teaching to us, Chota Haridas and Kala Krishna Das, they are not ordinary Jiva Tattva. They are very near days of Srimati Radhika, Devra Manjari, some Sakhis also. You can see Gaur Ganath Desh Dipika. Just they are acting this role, Leela. Try to understand. Pardon?
Jaya and Vijaya.
Saying like Jai Vijaya, not ordinary.
Acting the Leela. They are still coming from Vaikuntha Dham. They are not Jiva Tattvas. They are just doing this Leela, how to give the Birras Asadan, Rajesh to Birras Asadan, or they are doing Leela. When they Leela finish, they return back there. So in the same way, Kala Krishna Das or Chota Haridas, they are not conditioned soul. They don't bother you. Just acting this Leela and showing to us, teaching to us, Shiksha. And if you want to practice devotional service to Lord, you should be follow this rule. This is the thing. Otherwise, Lord will not accept. Lord Chaitanya was very strict. Nityananda Prabhu and others, and all they request to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Give mercy to Chota Haridas. But Mahaprabhu told no. But when finish, no?
Sorry, excuse me. My daughter is at somewhere and I have to pick her. The thing is finished. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. So अब कल आपको मिलेंगे फिर हमारे.
Now I mean finish just now.
My daughter is waiting somewhere.
Okay, you can bring.
We really have to leave.
Okay.
And we will see everybody tomorrow at our place. Is everybody not coming?
Everybody will come.
Everybody is coming.
Of course.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, now take prasad because see she also told, oh, clarify my heart, these things. For this regard, just I explain this. If you chant holy names and give up the bad association, asat sanga tag, and do bhajan and sadhana, Hari, and never criticize to anyone. This is the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Karna ninda pare, Krishna Krishna pare, Ajaya Chaitanya say Janivek Hare. No need to criticize to anyone. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनहारी मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी श्याम बनहारी मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनहारी मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनहारी बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि